Zan and Princess have stayed with us, I think before, and yeah, they've been here before. And Zan is taking medication like a trooper. All you do is open his mouth and he like swallows it down. So we're having no problems whatsoever with Zan taking his medication. He's a nice boy. You can see that he's friendly with us. Hi. Hello, my love. Loves watching the parakeets when he's in the playroom. And then his housemate is Princess, and she's up here. Hi, Princess. Hello, my love. You good girl. You're a nice girl. Yes, that's Princess. She's a nice girl. You come down here to be with me. Come on. Come down here. Yes, Princess is a good girl. She's a nice girl. And they're both eating well, voiding normally. No problems to report with these two. Huh, you a good boy? Huh, Zan? You a good boy? You a good girl, Princess? Yes, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes. You're a good boy. Yeah. So they're resting comfortably, no problems to report. Happy kitties here. Happy kitties. Happy kitties. Yeah.